Hello, my name is Andres Felipe Garcia. This is Task 2 Living Leisurely. Okay, I'm going to talk about this task and I'm going to give information about it. Okay, so the step 3 is using the vocabulary related to free time and fitness activity to create sentence. I like doing aerobics. I'm good at going to dance. I am into traveling abroad. I am interested in learning a new language. I am keen on exercising. I am crazy about spending time with my family. And the things I don't do, it could be I dislike eating seafood, I'm not good at jumping, I'm not much into cooking, I hate hiking, I can stand going to crowd places, I don't really care for not dancing good. Now, the step 5 is talking about my routine and my best friend routine. My routine is talking about I usually go to the gym and work out 4 days during the week from Friday to Monday. And during the weekend and almost every Saturday, I like to walk to a park next to my neighborhood. Other type of activities that I do are to go out with my friends and eating at a restaurant and sharing with family. Also, my best friend routine is sorry for that screen. My best friend routine is that he has a daily fitness routine compares to mine. He loves to go to the gym every day and almost he has no time off. Usually he goes after his work and during the weekends he tries to share with his family and friends. And also he likes to travel on his bike and visit near cities close to his town. And it's something very different to mine because I don't like to go, like ride on a bike or do these kind of activities. The step 4 is talking about the picture. In the picture, we have a family and we have sentences about it. The family is talking time is taking a time out to share. The little girl is wearing a cute blues. The mom is smiling because they are together. The weather is perfect to going out on the bikes, and the father is going behind the little girl. The mom is carrying a brown bag on the bike. And this is all the information for the task number 2. Thank you so much, teacher. This is Andres Garcia. Thank you.